Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, I'm so grateful you're here and I hope you enjoy my little corner of the internet. My name is Jamie and I make cleaning, organizing, and military lifestyle videos weekly. We are a military family currently living overseas in Germany. If you're here for cleaning motivation, grab your coffee, grab your sponges, and let's get into it. In today's video, I am giving my bedroom a good clean and both our well-used bathrooms are getting a very good scrub. If you need motivation to tackle those rooms that maybe your house guests don't always see, keep on watching. I feel like it is so easy to skip over cleaning your bedroom, especially if you and your husband are the only ones who ever see it. But it feels so good to have this space clean. It's so relaxing to go to bed and to wake up in a clean environment. I try to be so on top of making my bed every day, but it just does not happen. Does anybody have any tips or tricks for making your bed every day? Or do you honestly think it's just not that important?
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Another space I feel like I don't neglect but somehow gets so dirty is both of our bathrooms. I mean, of course, bathrooms get dirty, but sometimes I feel like they're beyond disgusting.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
You wouldn't know it, but I really hate clutter. But because of the shelves and our limited storage, it's so easy to collect things on these ledges. We have ledges in almost every room of our house, and it's just so easy to collect things there. I do display some things there intentionally because of our lack of storage. It's kind of unavoidable, but I love to just clear it all off and get it nice and clean. It feels so much better.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Seeing this cleaning hack hack on TikTok and I wanted to try it. Now, my grout isn't white, it truly is gray, but it's still dirty down there, and I wanted to put the toilet bowl cleaner, or the bleach rather, and let it sit for a couple hours and see if it was worth doing for the entire room. So I love to use my Swiffer still for a quick clean when I don't feel like getting out an entire mop bucket. So I'm using it today, but if you are still using a Swiffer and you are using single-use pads, you are not being the most financially savvy, if I do say so myself. There's so many options for pads for Swiffers now that you can just throw in the wash and reuse. So if you've never heard of that or you'd like to try that out, there's definitely a link down below in my Amazon items for a reusable Swiffer pad.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you.
So in my large bathroom, I used Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and in this bathroom, I'm trying soft scrub bleach. They're more or less the same thing. I just wanted to see if one product was easier. The Clorox bleach ended up definitely being easier to put down, but I do feel like the soft scrub worked better. However, I'm not sure that either of them were worth the mess and the struggle in the end for the outcome.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
I'm sure that if you had white grout, you'd probably notice a bigger difference than I did. Also, maybe it's the tool that I'm using. I'm using like a synthetic brush, and maybe a different brush would work better. I'd love to try one of those like electric scrubber brushes. I can't seem to get my hands on one here in Germany, but if you have one of those, I'm sure you've already tried it on your grout, but that's what I would love to use it for.
I look at you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are
I'm not completely opposed to having done it. Maybe in a smaller bathroom such as this, it would be worth it. I mean, if anything, it was just an excuse to hand scrub my floor with bleach, which I rarely add to my cleaning products, especially my floor products, but it was really nice to get under here and even on the walls with a whole lot of bleach and a good scrub.
What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope this video motivated you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. If you still need more motivation, I've linked my cleaning playlist at the end so you can keep cleaning with me. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.
Trying to find some love in this crowd.